Assalamualaikum class 10th. Today, as you all know, we are going to start our online lectures, um, Zoom classes. Um, it is slightly difficult for you to understand programming in Zoom classes, but I do my best, I try my best that you will understand that what is a program, and you know that we have already covered our chapter 1, that is about flowchart and algorithm. So I told you earlier as well that for writing any program on a computer, we must first of all we will design algorithm for our question, and then draw flowchart for them, and then we will start writing program in any language, in whatever language you want to write a program. You will write afterwards, after writing an algorithm and drawing flowchart. So here our language is C language. Our language is C language, in which we will start our programming, and it is very first computer language for you. So you might be excited to learn programming, and although it is not that difficult, but if you have any problem, then you definitely ask that from me, and at that any point which is not clear to you, ask question. If you do not ask question, then it will create problem in further chapters we will going to learn. Okay, so the first topic is introduction to computer programming. So what is a computer program, right? What is a computer program? Computer program is set of instructions. Set of instructions we give to our computer for uh, for doing a specific task, right? For example, if I want to add numbers, right? Add numbers. Which symbol is used for adding numbers? Plus is used for adding numbers. But I have two numbers like 2 plus 5. I'll get the answer. That's what I know. You know that these are numbers, and this is plus sign is used for addition and equal sign is used for equality or whatever. This is what we know. Computer does not know this thing, right? Computer does not know this thing. That what is 2, what is 5, what is 7, what is plus, what is equal to. It does not know anything. Why? Because computer use just two number language. What? And this language is known as binary language. It has no concern with all other numbers you have, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It does not know anything. You have to program it. You have to instruct it in its own language, right? In its own language, you will give instruction to computer, right? Like I'm giving you instruction that you have to learn this, right? I'm giving you instruction that you have to learn it. But how will you learn it? Otherwise, when you don't know what is it. So in the same way, if I'm going to instruct computer that add these two numbers, how computer will add when it doesn't know that how to add it? So I have to give him a whole instructions, step-by-step procedure in which it is going to add these numbers, right? So computer programming is what I think is very interesting. When you start instructing computer, when you learn to start giving orders to computer, you will enjoy it, right? But you need practice. You need practice as much as you can. Fine. So for you have already studied algorithm in this regard, that how to add numbers, right? If I start writing algorithm for this, then how I will write algorithm? If I start directly algorithm, then the first step is start, input, two numbers, right? A, B, and the next step is what we will do? We will add A and B, that is A plus B, and then we will show its output, right? And then the algorithm is stopped. If I start writing program in C, same program in C language, I'll write initial program here for you, that you do not confuse it. I'll tell you how this program will be written, how you will write it, and what is this. I'll explain you each and everything, but this is just the shape of initial program which I am going to write for you. Which I am going to write for you here. And remember that in C you will use small caps, not capital letters. Int AB. Okay, I'm going to take numbers here. A is equal to 5. B is equal to 2. And there is the number 3 which is used for its result. So if I simply write C is equal to A plus B, then right, so it will this is the simplest program of C language, right? So it's not, some things are missing in this program, but this is the C program for adding those numbers for which the algorithm I have written, and for adding two numbers, right? So this is a simplest program of C language. Now what is int, what is printf, why we use semicolons, why we have used inverted comma, all this is explained to you. Today in the lecture you can ask any question, right? So come for the lecture today.